What's the meaning of cheapen? Cheapen. Cheapen.
Cheapen. Cheapen. The verb cheapen means to lower the value or quality of something. When something is cheapened, it becomes less valuable or desirable. This can happen in a variety of ways, such as reducing the cost of production by using lower quality materials or labor, or by associating a product or service with negative connotations. The end result of cheapening is usually a decrease in perceived value or an increase in negative associations, which can be detrimental to the success and reputation of the product or service in question.